So I was struggling to find some good weights locally at any athletic store or weight store, so I'm making a quick home fitness video today. I ordered a curl bar from Amazon as well as an 85-pound Olympic plate set, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing as well as video review for you guys today. So my initial impression is out of the box, they look pretty good. You can see where there is some chips on them, so it looks like they just have kind of an inexpensive some type of like black paint that's sprayed over them. This one has a manufacturing imperfection, so you can see like this slag or whatever, like this extra metal material iron. It's kind of a drip on the edge, but all the other ones, they look good, so I'm excited to test these out. Got these on Amazon for my home gym, and I'm excited to just work out in my bedroom. Let's test like the inside. It's got a pretty good grip there. Test like the medium for biceps. It's got a good grip, good hand position, doesn't hurt my wrists. So yeah, definitely like the bar. Really excited about this. I haven't really had a chance to work out too much since I moved to Arizona because the gym's so far away. It's a 35-minute drive. And so I really miss doing my tricep extensions, my skull crushers and stuff, having this bar. So let's see how the bar feels. Oh, and I'm definitely not as strong as I used to be. I've lost about 10 pounds of muscle. But the bar's good. I like to hit my triceps. Usually a set of 10 that way and then a set of 10 this way. The bar feels good. And then 10 inside presses usually, but I'm definitely gonna have to start with a little bit less weight. I'm going soft. I really like how these have the little hand grips on them. They fit perfect with your fingers and you just pick them up and move them. And then if you like to use your weights, you know, and do shoulders or whatever else you can do, little chest presses, they've got good ergonomics to be able to do that with. Pretty excited about these for sub 100 bucks for 85 pounds of weights. This is the Amazon Basics bench that I got, and I picked up some dumbbells too over here. Those are the Amazon cap dumbbells, the Amazon bench. I've got the Amazon bar.
We would be honored if you would join us.
So yeah, I definitely am happy I got these Fitvids plates, 85 pounders. The only thing I'd say, these little clamps, they don't do the very best job of holding these secure. So I'll probably get some of those like big plastic ones that go around that just kind of clamp down, hold this stuff a little bit more solid when I'm using it for rows or deadlifts or whatever I'm going to be doing in here. But for just a basic amount of weight to stay in shape, I'm glad I got these. If you guys are like myself and you're tired of making the long drive to the gym and you just want to work out at home, having that long drive just gives me that excuse. Yeah, I really just don't feel like going in. And if I'm here, I can easily come into the bedroom and do a quick 30-minute workout. The Chris Hemsworth workout is one of my favorite ones. You can do like full 3 sets through in about 10 minutes, and it's a full body decent workout with just a 45-pound bar. That's how I like to warm up. But here's an up close look at the bar for you guys to be able to do kind of all my basic workouts that I'm used to and kind of get back into shape if you guys are there. And if you're looking at these, I just wanted to make a quick video because I couldn't find any information on these that was anything decent. A lot of people had written reviews on Amazon that said, hey, I really like the bar, it's in good shape, so I definitely agree with them. I think the shape is perfect, just like the one I used to work out with at my old work in the work gym. And I like the fact that this comes with the 5s, the 2.5s, the 10s. It gives me enough versatility with the 25s for curls, tricep extensions, deadlifts, light deadlifts, nothing, heavy. And yeah, just for me and my wife, I think that's good. So I can put the 25s on there if I want to do curls. If she's going to do curls, maybe some 5s or some 2.5s. So it gives us a good range of flexibility for weight. And these are all 2-inch in size, so they are Olympic size, same as this is Olympic bar for curls. And then I've got my Olympic straight bar over there for all the other different exercises I do. So this gives me a lot of versatility. I don't know if you guys are like myself and locally you struggle to find any type of weights like you used to be able to back at like fitness stores or sporting goods stores. So that left me with going with Amazon. And so I wanted to make today's video to just kind of show like, hey, if you're looking at buying a set of these for just your home workout, basic stuff, kind of what they look like, if they're good quality, and if they work. So here we are. So yeah, very happy with them. Definitely worked well. Having only 85 pounds, I can easily just store them underneath my bed and put them away so my wife doesn't get too angry with my weights in the room. Because it's not a weight room, it's a bedroom, but I don't have any other space in my house. So this is where I'm gonna do my workout, both in the day and when my wife gets home, sometimes at night if she lets me. All the stuff's all made in China, but it is nicer than even the stuff I bought from G.I. Joe's back in the early 2000s. They didn't have these pass-throughs. It was just a flat ridge on one side to grip it with, and then this side was completely flat. So I definitely think these are an upgrade from my more expensive stuff I bought, you know, almost 25 years ago. Like the grips on the handle. So yeah, I'm excited to get myself back to working out, because after living here for the last 7 months and only having dumbbells from 5 pounds to 45 pounds, now I've got a flat bench, I've got an Olympic curl bar with some plates, the Olympic bar that I just bought, the 7-footer, and 60-pound dumbbells. So I've got, I think, a lot of options to get my size back. I'll throw a picture of myself of when I was bigger, around 210, so I'm around like 198 right now. So I'd like to just grow a little bit, not much, just look good. We got to keep our spouses interested. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. I'll have all this stuff linked for the exact bar and the exact weights. If you guys were looking at that, you want to help support the channel, click the link, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let me know what you'd like to see. Take care. Bye.